Finish up uyazi kuhamba like away.
It's all good, my brother. I set to teach and it's right before the big game, and I'm thinking you're playing against the super sports. How does it feel, Vets, so each and every day, the Vets who every 2 hours to make game?
Kuseku-grand nje kinguvalo encane
Showcase, uvalo incane. Usimamane ishayela uvalo njalo. But how do you deal with that? Wenza kanjani uthi hayi le nto uvalo ibe eceleni?
amajita futhi ayangisiza.
Showcase, especially since like it's your first season in the Premier League.
Inzima kakhulu hobe.
But that's so far so good, and that. Oh, ain't any moment if it's playing your first game.
Ngike yokuqala enethi enzima. NgeBucks.
That's all.
Ayangithokile bani.
Yo.
Imagine.
Why can't? Sure. But to judging from the vetting composure that you delivered on that match in Vetu, I'd say Vetu would see you are destined for greatness in Vetu. Yeah, well, because in Vetu, when you're giving I'm a biggest test, it's just a matter of Vetu of showing up. Yeah, Lond. Going to Ions and Vetu, yeah, Lond. Unfortunately, it's immediately, but at the same time, Vetu, they deliver in a combis because iPirates anishaya igoli set piece mfethu yabona khombisa ukuthi egaming mfethu hayi nani ibambe ngale ndlela yokuthi mfethu kwangelula for yona
bese inkingeni
sure
kashoda igoli
kwashoda igoli kuphela so mfethu ukukhula kwakho mfethu you from a package mfethu like package mfethu ngiya mhlambe twice or 3 times mfethu a week yabo mfethu I have a friend there. Feels so good in Vetu to actually see Vetu development in Vetu emalokishini in Vetu Kula. So the little one Vetu, how actually do you get to Richards Bay? If you're gonna take me back from your development to the selection showcase.
Ngaqala la Phoenix. Ngisuka la Phoenix ngaya eGold Stars of Africa. Ngabuyiswa icorona khona.
Short.
Ngihamba ngodlalela lale team le. Mlazi Lions.
Sure.
Ngadlala 3 games ngabona uchairman la.
Great.
Benokani bathi angize ngala.
Short.
Ngafika njalo ngala.
Great.
Bangithatha ile game.
Yeah, that's nice. So washo ukuthi development from the previous teams and Vetu, like njengobusho Vetu, Lions from Umlazi, yona ongasho ukuthi it developed you. Ukuze ukwazi ukufika to this big league, the Premier Soccer League.
Bangibona kuyona kodwa ithi mengikhulise isithi mesekazi.
Showcase. Tell me more about it. Uqale nini ukudlala kuyona?
Besekazi noma
No, yasekazi.
Yasekazi wela ngangikhula ngisamncane.
Sure.
Uma ngingana team ngibuyela kuyona.
Sure. Uba ucoach wakho mfethu ube coach.
Njita lo ba simbiza ubaba.
Umbiza ubaba ne?
Baphuzulwane.
Sure. Awuyezi mfethu. I know that's good mfethu ukuthi you got that chance mfethu because manje mfethu mina speaking from ilokishi engiqhamuka kulona mfethu ama team mfethu asemalokishini mfethu angazi mfethu kushodani but mfethu there's a lot of talent kumajida mfethu but it always seems like mfethu into everything iphelele emoyeni
ma-opportunity mancane.
Sure.
Hayi uthanda usekhona uphumile.
Showcase abakhona mfethu
Baningi.
Bakhona.
Khona sanda kufika la iBay. Thando
Lo Daki Dube ne? Nice one. Icabang is from the same streets. La kuhlala khona. That's good, vet. That's good, Vanagit. That's good. That's good. So ekukhuleni kwakho vele bethu you've been like in the midfield as a soccer player now mhlambe you played different positions before.
Aqala ngabe striker ngisemncane.
Sure.
Asuke striker ngabe iwinga njengoba sengidlala center.
Sure.
But namhlanje bangidlalisa iwinga.
Oh yeah, always. On the right or on the left?
Left.
Always. Are you right-footed?
Yeah.
Okay, so yobangena ngekhathi lapha phakathi.
Khathi.
Showcase. I'm sure mfethu as a footballer mfethu you grew up looking up to some players mfethu that were playing on the big screens yabona.
Yeah.
Was that one player mfethu that ongasho ukuthi nje ekukhuleni kwakho mfethu you've just been looking mfethu at his style of play or influence nendlela mfethu ogcina udlala ngayo namhlanje?
Ngiphi PSL or overseas?
Let's start PSL buff.
PSL bala umjita lo. Masibusane zonke.
Sure.
Phesheya ubala umjita lo. Eden Hazard.
Sure, Eden Hazard, it's a but bethu I career Eden Hazard bethu ish.
Hey.
Indlela egcine bethi 10 out 10 ngayo bafo bethu. Wena mawubuka as a footballer currently, like what would you say mhlambe into engathi like affected or into egcine isiyenza ukuthi agcine bethu se retire at a very young age?
Eish. Angazi ngachaza ngithini. Angazi uchaza ngithini bafo.
Sure.
Angazi.
Sure.
Yeah.
But uyibone lento bethu ukuthi when players are given like a big opportunity, like if it's all they most like it happens, not mostly, but sometimes it happens ukuthi guys vethu don't deliver vethu to the expectations.
Yeah.
Well, and like currently right now vethu kunale nto ya Mbappe on Real Madrid vethu.
Yeah.
Yabo leyo nto vethu.
Okuningi.
Sure.
Man.
Sure. Wena mawubuka as a player yini esuke isibhekene like yini esuke umuntu abhekene nayo during that time?
Ayisibenze mafana. Ngoba phela angeke uperform every game. Qala lapha inkinga. Manje wena uma belindele u100 namhlanje wena ubanika u50 kuba ngathi awenzi lutho yabo. Njengoba kwenzeka Mbappe. Mbappe hlezi befuna ekore. Akuvumi ukukora. Uyabona nje. Ngoba sefuna ukuhamba futhi lapho.
Sure. So you pray of it.
Hayi pressure namatida wamfuni.
Sure. So kube njani bethu kufika kwi Richards Bay? How was the reception nje bethu between the gents and bethu nje and everyone?
Amajita fesu. Angiphatha kahle ngasho kanjani. Ngoba amanye ngifikele bona wasekho.
Sure.
Awubanzi kanje
Sure.
zimehambini.
Sure.
Kodwa laba bakhona manje abangiphethe kahle bona.
Showcase.
Bayangigulisa. Bayangibonisa izinto ezinhle nezimbi.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure to bet. So mfethu ekukhuleni mfethu we all understood mfethu ukuthi ibhola is a short career mfethu yabo lonto. Ukuthi it's a short career mfethu. So edlaleni bebethini mfethu usajima uye gymini njalo mfethu like ithwana kamabhuku didn't you face into kanjalo like ama challenges ekuthiwa leli bhola kho ubuyibona?
Ngayifisa leyo phahla le kodwa wagcina sebona uma uthi aweke ngisiyeke isikole.
Sure.
Ngifocus ebholeni.
Okay, cool. So which grade did you like end on buff? If you get there on which grade?
I gave grade 10.
Sure, grade 10.
Yeah.
Showcase. And you decided to pursue into your dream.
Yeah.
So binjani fee mfethu at that time kwenzeka lokho?
Ngeke isikole.
Sure.
Ngeke isikole noma ngifuna ukusiyena.
Sure.
Yeah. Ngoba ki-AM babethi angize ngizohlala nakhona manje ngangifunda ngala. Manje akhe ngaphoqa ukuthi ngiye kokodwa.
Sure.
Ya uma wathi angiyeke isikole.
Sure, but ngiyabona ukuthi mfethu, let's focus on football mfethu, nothing else. Yeah mfethu, I believe mfethu ukuthi inhloso mfethu yempilo mfethu is finding your purpose, yabo. So once usuyitholile i-purpose yakho mfethu and mfethu wayibona iminyango ivuleka mfethu, I think ithube kanjalo into mfethu umuntu engamela iyeke. But ke provided that sikhulumela ukuthi soccer sometimes it comes as a very short career, ne? Yeah, so I'd wish for you mfethu ukuthi going forward mfethu, like mfethu, you just find ways and platforms mfethu to just be able to sustain impilo mfethu. Yayizwa into engishoyo, because we've seen like a lot of athletes kuba ukuthi mfethu after ukuphela kwebhola and then mfethu impilo ividane ibe ngenye indlela, ne? Yeah. So sigcine singakhulumanga with one guy ongathi mfethu like with development yakho mfethu, you just looked up to them like South Africa. You spoke about uZongo. Yeah, what can you just say mfethu ibichaza from uZongo?
Indlela adlala ngayo yabo.
Sure.
Yonke into ngayo. High off the field.
Sure.
Inside the field.
Yeah. Because ngifuna ukukhuluma the character yakhe off the field, yabo. Not saying what to be being judgmental, but like being an athlete doesn't only include izinto that happens like ifethu ngaphandle ngaphakathi egroundini, yabo. It goes with what happens even outside of the field, yabo. So izinto eyikanje like that he was going through as an individual, where namhlambe what is your plan towards maintaining the character yakho mfethu off the field? Like what is your lifestyle? What do you get up to mfethu uma ungekho grounding?
Ngeke grounding.
Sure.
Eish. Wow.
Sure.
Izinto engibalekela kanjalo ichaza
Sure.
Izinto ezinjengama-drugs kanjena notshwala njengoba ubona njalo umjida sekasi.
Sure.
Ukanyisa.
Showcase.
Utshwala simbalekisa ngenxa yakho ukanyisa nayo uZongo.
Sure.
Ngoba mawuphuze kuba nenkinga eziningi.
Great.
Yebo usumbona ukanyisa unenkinga.
Showcase. Yeah, but alcohol bethu it has bethi setback in a downfall bethu enkulu kakhulu bafo bethu. Yabo nje bethu going forward bethu nje iyakhawaza bafo. Iyakhawaza bafo. So bethu you are very young bafo, and I'm sure bethu ukuthi by the time bethu bese kudlala bethu ama games like the 2010 World Cup bethu ubusukwazi ukubona mfethu understand ukuthi this is football mfethu. So as an individual mfethu ufisa ukuthi at what age would you love mfethu to be presented the opportunity ukuthi udlale on a national team?
Number 20 or 21.
Sure keys. Because right now mfethu like ngiyayithanda i-development. Yeah, after premiership but like teams are giving my youngsters mfethu like an opportunity mfethu to actually showcase mfethu bevele mfethu abafowethu yabo leyo nto. So mfethu i-rivalry mfethu against mfethu the likes of Omofokeng mfethu, how was it mfethu to play on the midfield mfethu with such guys mfethu and the big guys mfethu Otito mfethu? How was it for you mfethu to actually like mfethu overcome during those times?
Into enkulu yona. Vele angifisa ukudlala against bona.
Sure.
Kodwa indlela engadlala ngayo ngibanga yipi ngayo. Ngoba abantu ababonanga lento engazi kuyenza.
Sure.
Ngoba le game ngamaka kakhulu.
Sure.
Instead okudlala.
Sure.
Safisa futhi ukuthola ithuba ngidlala against bona.
Sure.
ngidlala ibhola lami ya.
Sure. No, but I think it's part of football, ukuthi sometimes you need to divert. Yeah, to deciding on i-pressure ye-game and style of playing ngalolo suku yabona. So yeah, nento kanjalo so I'm sure ukuthi there's that one coach othe ukhula nawe part of i-development yakho sasekasi i-Lion yasemndazi ukuthi kuthe ngiyafisa ukucoach la coach judging on istyle of play asidlalayo la PSL who's that one coach you just wish ukuthi ngiyafisa ukucoach la coach ngiyathanda isitayela somdlalo
noma wasekasi ukuthi ngathola i-chance nje.
Sure.
Yeah, uyena umjito
ubaba ne.
Yeah.
Showcase. Yini mhlawumbe ukuyithanda ngayo abayenza?
Ngithanda indlela akhuluma namajita ngayo and futhi akunika i-freedom as i-player.
Sure.
Ukuthi if umugodi ejikela umuntu.
Sure.
If useyafinyako ngabajika kodwa useyafinyethu ungayenzi lento yenza yafinyako yabo.
Sure.
Yeah. And futhi ufenza mistake akagxeki.
Sure.
Yakukhuthaza ukuthi ayiqhubeke wenze more.
Sure.
Yeah.
Showcase. No, I get it, but 100% get it because I can't abandon any freedom,
Yeah, kodwa ukuthembana.
Sure. Sure, each and every time, as individuals, we want to express what we have.
Yeah.
But for a team, we need to follow our tactics because that's where combinations come from. So, like, Mzansi Bethu, if team could support.
Because Kaizer Chiefs.
Showcase. So I'm sure you're looking forward to playing against them, yeah?
They call the game.
What kind of game, yeah? Sure. What was the score?
2-1.
2-1 loss, ne?
Yeah.
Sure. 2-1 loss of it. How was it to playing against the team that so mkhulu babuka mfethu ubukole Nsolonyana ubuko Shaba?
Ngijabule kakhulu. Ngidlala Kingsbona ngafana uMntu.
Sure.
Umthethwa uMathi ya.
Sure.
Ngikona enjoy ukudlala kodwa coach washeshwa ngidonsa.
Sure.
Yeah.
Tactical change.
Yeah, but beqeda kuthola red card nje wasidonsa.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure, no, I remember no that game in a pressure enkulu.
Yeah.
In a pressure enkulu, I remember very carefully in a pressure enkulu. So currently the team right now you guys have been dropping like points. But you made it to semi-finals of the Carling Play Club. So more coach on the changing rooms in like what's the message that you guys have been receiving in order to just stay up from the league in the for also other coming competitions and to compete at a high level.
Bathi kumele singawanaka amagame asedlulile sinyusa ikhanda sinake lawazayo. Obvious ama-point asedlulile ngisawathola asedlulile. Kumele siwanake kulawa aqhamukayo njengegame yanamhlanje.
Showcase.
Ngoba kusiza ukufocus into esidlulile kukhona eqhamukayo. Kumele sifocus kulezayo.
Showcase. Yeah. No, but it's like the trick of life mfethu. Yabo mfethu. I-past mfethu is always back. But at the same time it's always good to reflect back mfethu so that we can trace la sikwazi ukungenzi kahle khona. Silungisa amaphutha lapho nalapho, you understand? Yeah, mfethu. So ekasi mfethu right now mfethu. How mfethu is the reception mfethu mawufikile abantu bakujabulela mfethu. How does it feel for you? Ukuthi nje mfethu you finally made it to the big league.
Ngijabulile kakhulukazi mengifika nje ekasi.
Sure.
Intwana encane amajita akhulile bonke nje baba happy. Ufuna ukushaya ama-pick nami.
Sure.
Yabo nje bangitshela ukuthi lento engiyenzayo yabagqugquzela ukuthi nabo bephushe.
Showcase bro.
Yeah, namajita amaningi bedla ama-drugs ayekile ngenxa yami.
Short.
Afuna ukuphusha nawo njengami.
Great. Mfethu, yazi kuyajabulisa lokho mfethu.
Yeah.
When you like pushing the positivity mfethu elokishini mfethu, when you're bringing hope mfethu. Uyabona leyo nto mfethu.
Yeah.
When you're bringing hope mfethu, into kanjalo mfethu. No mfethu, kuyisibusiso kakhulu lokho mfethu. So kwi-Role AM mfethu, how was it for you nje mfethu as a player for isikhathi osihlalile khona?
Ya bekunzima khona ngoba manager yakho ngingangifuni.
Sure.
Mara ucoach bebengifuna bonke. Agcine ngasayinanga nxa manager.
Sure.
Ya ucoach wabethi angisayinwe manager engafuni nabadlali.
Sure.
Ufuna ngisayine. Agcine ngihambe kanjani.